Okay, so adding and subtracting real numbers. I'm essentially going to be throwing everything at you all at once. Decimals, fractions, rational numbers, integers, everything. But we've done these all in 6th grade math, most of it in 5th grade math, definitely in pre-algebra, so we're okay. So -3 plus 6. Those numbers have different signs. Okay, remember, here's one number, and here's the other. -3, +6, different signs. Same sign, keep and add. Different sign, subtract, and keep the sign of the bigger number. So to do this, we're going to do 6 minus 3, which is 3, and keep the sign from the bigger number. 6 is bigger, it was positive. So our answer there is a +3. For the next example, if you've had me before, you know I really don't like to see minus and negative. Double negative is actually positive, so we actually have -2 plus 9 here. Again, two numbers. Here's the first, it's -2. Here's the second, it's +9. Different signs. I will subtract the numbers because they have different signs, and I'll give the answer the sign of the bigger number. 9 take away 2 is 7. The bigger number was 9 and it was positive, so the answer here is 7. Next problem. Again, if you've had me before, you know I don't like plus negative. Different signs combine to make a negative sign. So this is -3 minus 16. And there are two numbers here. There is -3. There is a -16 that we're putting with it. Those numbers have the same sign. Same sign, keep the sign, so the answer will be negative, and add the numbers. 3 plus 16 is 19. Here we have a substitution problem. X plus 7, but we're being told x is -13. So I will substitute in the -13. And then once again, as we look at this, we have two numbers. We have a -13. We have a +7. So those have different signs. Different signs means I will subtract the numbers, keeping the sign of the bigger of the two. 13 is bigger, so the answer will be negative. And 13 minus 7, remember different signs, subtract. 13 minus 7 is 6. So two numbers here. We have 7. We have -10. Different signs, so I will subtract them. 10 minus 7 is 3. And I'm going to keep the sign of the bigger number. 10 is bigger, so the answer will be -3. Again, here, this minus negative, I do not like. I would rather see that as -3 plus 12. Because now when I look at this, I can say, okay, we have a -3, and we also have ourselves a +12. So, different signs. I'll be subtracting. The bigger number is 12. 12 is positive, so my answer will be positive. And 12 minus 3 is 9. And one more substitution problem. -11 minus 22. So -11 minus 22, those have the same sign. Real quick, I'll highlight those up for you. Here's the first number, -11. Here is your second number, -22, same sign. So keep that sign and add the numbers. 11 and 22 makes 33.